Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai guys, any Hyundai, I'm talking about Sonata, Accent, Santa Fe, Tucson, any Hyundai guys, and you want to know what are the symptoms of bad PCV valves, stay with us and we'll explain that today. We'll explain on a 4-cylinder engine, but doesn't matter if you have a 3, 4, 6-cylinder engine, procedure is practically the same for all the symptoms, okay, on bad PCV valve on Hyundai guys, any Hyundai vehicle. So let's start on it now. So, right here guys, you can see this is a Hyundai Sonata we're working on, but that, for instance, that engine, GDI engine, has been used guys, okay, in so many vehicles. Now, it has been used in Tucson, it has been used Santa Fe, it has been used in Hyundai Sonata, it has been used in other Hyundais, and a smaller version, 1.6, has been used in Accent, Veloster, and so many vehicles guys. So, before we start, let me tell you guys something. Every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on this channel, and we have another channel where we will share more than 200 videos guys on every engine we get that will teach you how to do diagnostics and fix engine components, and that will be on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Also, if you need to buy a new PCV valve, parts, tools, excuse me, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. So right here guys, you can see this is your PCV valve. Let's explain now. You have a valve cover. On your valve cover you have, usually you may have a hose that creates a vacuum, and you may have another hose coming out, and that's where your PCV valve will be located guys. So what the PCV valve does, when the engine runs, the pistons go up and down, that creates pressure, and if that pressure doesn't come out, your engine practically almost will explode guys. The gaskets will fail, you'll start developing leaks, oil leaks, even your head gasket can fail. So that valve actually takes that pressure, injects it in the intake manifold, and then it goes through the engine and burns one more time. So with that being said, okay, you can see this is the valve, okay, right here guys. So you will need to, okay, go ahead, okay, remove the hose, and usually it's a 23mm socket in most cases. We pre-loosen ours and it comes out pretty easy, but they can fail in multiple locations guys. The symptoms of a bad valve, it could be stuck closed or stuck open. When it's stuck closed guys, that valve will not work correctly. It will not open, and as a result the engine will build more pressure, or it may work to the point that it opens late, and as a result your engine will be always running more pressure, and that can cause guys oil leaks. You can start developing oil leaks from gaskets, valve cover gasket, inside even the spark plug gasket, oil pan, front and rear crankshafts, you can start leaking. So many things can actually start leaking, okay, because of bad PCV valve. Now another thing, okay, when it's bad, often you will notice on top of the cover, okay, on the cap, oil cap, you may, if you have guys actually moisture and sludge build up inside the engine cover here or the cap, that means that most likely you have a bad valve as well. Another thing, you can experience engine surges guys, okay, like being unstable, okay, being not very responsive as well. Something else, okay, if you get a code, engine light and code P0171, that could be the cause for that. If that valve is stuck open, that will simulate, okay, the engine having a vacuum leak. The engine will be getting more air that it doesn't know of, and as a result that will cause guys, okay, code P0171, which will be really hard to fix, okay, and it means that the system is too lean, you're getting more air than fuel, and this could be the reason as well. Another thing guys, if that valve is bad, you may get codes for bad oxygen sensors as well guys. So really complicated device, okay, that little bitty thing can cause so much trouble. And if your Hyundai comes with a mass airflow sensor that detects how much air the engine is getting, what will happen actually guys, okay, you may even get code for bad MAF sensor when all you had to do is just replace that valve. So if you guys, okay, check your manual, you will notice that actually that's a serviceable item and you have to replace it so many miles, so 60,000-80,000 miles, it really depends on the vehicle, but check it out guys, and we'll definitely recommend to replace them. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.